Dear students, hope you and your family are safe. The next few days are very crucial on account of COVID-19 pandemic. We should take absolute care and precautions to safeguard our health. You can protect yourself and help others in preventing the virus spreading on others. Please follow the instructions given in the media from time to time to safeguard you and your family, like stay at home, washing hands frequently, sanitizing, keeping safe distance from others, and covering nose while sneezing, and so on. I make this video to inform you an important message. Dr. Akhtar Azan Rizvi and Advocate Rubina Akhtar Azan Rizvi, the President and Director of Rizvi Education Society, came with an initiative in distributing food items to the needy during this national lockdown. They also want that none of our students should suffer for food on account of this COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, two things I want to make here for your knowledge. One, if you are in need of food items or ration kit, please feel free to contact your class mentor or call the numbers mentioned in a pamphlet which will be shown to you. Two, if your parents want to donate for this mission, they can do so by donating to the bank account mentioned in the pamphlet. We will make arrangements to reach you for the help. Have a safe health. I'm going to show you the pamphlet which contains the bank account numbers and other details.